This is a day where we celebrate, and it's a day we celebrate the importance of forests, the various forests we have in the world, and also it's a day whereby we're able to remind people of the importance to protect, to conserve, and use our forests in a sustainable manner. The tree cover of the country is 12%, and that's why His Excellency the President the other day came with a strategy of 15 billion strategy to enable us get to 30%, to be able to address the mitigation effects of climate change, biodiversity loss, and the land degradation, so that we can be able to reverse that trend of deforestation and land degradation. Yeah, so we've been encouraging people, especially farmers, to come up with water pans. These are ways of water harvesting, so that even when the rains are not there, we can also be able to have an extended period whereby even when we plant our trees, we'll still have water for that.
Mambo ya mbegu ya miti ni jukumu ambayo KIFRI imepewa na serikali, na kwa wakati huu tuna mbegu karibu 120 metric tons ambayo inaweza raise almost 2 billion seedlings, na kwa mpango ya serikali between 2022 na 2032 KIFRI inatakiwa kutoa mbegu tani 1,000 ili iweze ikatoa karibu miche karibu bilioni 2 ili isaidie wananchi kupanda miti katika nchi mzima. Ukisikia mvua hakuna, unajua mambo ya ukusaji wa miche, kwa sababu inahitaji maji nyingi. Ikiwa katika nasari inaonyesha hiyo miche haingeweza kukuswa kwa mahali pengi. Nasikia katika sehemu zingine ya Northern Kenya hatujapata mvua for the last 4 years, na hii upande huo wa Kenya itatoa miti au itatakiwa contribute to almost 70% of the 15 billion. So hiyo imetusumbua sana, na saa hii mvua imeanza kukuja, ndio tunaanza kusambaza mbegu ili waanze kukuza miche ili kwa kupanda kwa miaka ijazo.
But the forests are very crucial, and the forests are actually meant for people. People are meant for forests, and forests are meant for people. The main thing for this year is that the forests are health. Our forests are health. So we cannot ignore the fact that forests contribute a lot to human wellness, and particularly the issues of health. And even as we contribute to our health status, there is also a lot of interaction. When we talk about forests, trees interact a lot with other aspects of the ecosystem. And when you see what you're doing here, we are having exotic trees. Sometimes we plant them together with the crops in a system we call the pellis. It's basically an agroforestry system. It's basically an intercropping system where there is an interaction between the trees, the rooting system of trees and our crops, whereby both benefit. There is a symbiotic relationship between tree species and crop species for the benefit of both. So we are looking at a larger interest, that is ecosystem and landscape interest. We do not allow cultivation in indigenous forest. Natural forest, we do not allow cultivation at all. All we do is that we only allow cultivation in plantation areas, which is exotic species. And we do a lot to conserve our catchment areas through enrichment planting, protection against illegalities, and also involving the communities in the issues of management and protection. And this is where that is our focus, to ensure that even as we do the protection, we work together with the communities to protect, to ensure that our water catchments are well protected by ourselves and the communities.